Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix the issue where contacts are not showing in your WhatsApp app on your Android device. So follow these steps to fix that. So firstly, start from the home screen and then open the Settings app, and here in the Search tab enter Apps, tap onto Apps, and in the list search for WhatsApp. And make sure that the permissions are allowed. And then make sure your contacts are synced with your Google account. So open the Google Contacts app if you do not have it downloaded from the Play Store. And in the Organize tab, just tap on your profile and go onto your status and make sure that Google Contacts Sync is enabled. And then update your system. So open the Settings app and just scroll down to the About phone. It will be almost the last tab. And here, scroll down to the software update and make sure you're updated to the last version. And check for deleted contacts. If you accidentally deleted a contact, open your Messages app and here look for recent conversations and manually add the contact from the chat. So if none of these steps work for you, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. And be sure to back up your chats first via settings. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.